guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going over my step-by-step guide on how to set up an LLC in Arizona 2 different ways. So the first way we're going to talk about is going through the process solo. Now, don't get stressed out. There's only 6 steps and I'll be there to walk you through the process the whole time, going over everything you need to know as we go. The second way leaves all the heavy lifting to a professional company such as Tailor Brands. Now, for those of you who haven't heard of them, Tailor Brands is an all-in-one online platform that has helped more than 500,000 businesses form their own LLCs. They're a team of experts who will handle all the back work of starting your business, taking only a few minutes of your time. So if you want to learn more about LLCs and how to set one up, then welcome, you're in the right place. And before we move on, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more in the future. I make these videos with the hopes that you'll learn something and will help you choose what's right for you. Now, if you decide that you want to try out Tailor Brands, you'll find an affiliate link down in the description. I do get a small commission from that link, but it doesn't cost you a cent more. Actually, you get a bit of a discount that you wouldn't find directly on their website, so it's a win-win all around. So what exactly is an LLC? A limited liability company, or LLC for short, is a type of business structure that combines the flexibility and simplicity of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. By forming an LLC, you establish a separate legal entity for your business, separating your personal assets from your company's liabilities. In other words, if your LLC has any legal problems or even debt, your personal assets probably can't be touched to pay those bills. Also, LLCs give their owners flexibility in management, taxation options, and the ability to bring in multiple owners known as members who can share in the company's profits and losses. This flexibility and the liability protection make the LLC a popular choice for many entrepreneurs starting a new or existing venture. Now, you can set up an LLC 2 different ways, like I mentioned before. To kick things off, I'm going to start with the DIY approach, where you go through the filing process yourself. Now, really quick, I want to add, in many states, LLCs are formed at the state level. Arizona is too. They are registered through the Arizona Corporations Commission, or ACC. So, that being said, let's go ahead and get started on what starting an LLC looks like in Arizona. So, the first step is to choose a name for your LLC. While you're coming up with ideas, you can use the ACC website to see what names have already been taken. There are very few guidelines Arizona has when it comes to naming your LLC. There are only 2. One, that the name isn't already taken, and 2, the name must include some variation of the words limited liability company. It can be abbreviated, spelled out, or a mix of both. Once you decide on a name, you can go about getting the name registered. The cost of registration is $45 and lasts for 5 years. Both the initial application and renewals can only be done online and is taken care of by the Arizona Secretary of State's office. Next, your business needs a statutory agent, also called a registered agent. Their job is to get and process important legal documents for the business. In Arizona, the statutory agent must have a physical address in Arizona and formally accept the position in writing. They can be an individual living in Arizona or a registered agent service. Next, we need to file the Articles of Organization with the ACC. This is what's going to be your application to be an LLC. On that form, we'll select whether our application is for a regular or professional LLC. Then the rest of the document includes your business name and address, a description of what you'll do in the business, and who your registered agent is. Along with listing who they are, you'll also need to include a statutory agent acceptance form signed by the registered agent. The application can be completed online or by mail through the ACC. The filing fee is $50. Now, unlike many other states, Arizona doesn't have annual renewal fees or annual filing requirements, but in its place, they do have a publication requirement. Arizona law requests newly formed LLCs to announce their new business in a newspaper in the same county as your registered agent within 60 days of your LLC's approval. The ad has to be put in one newspaper for 3 consecutive runs, generally 1 to 2 weeks. Costs will depend on the paper, but typically prices range from $60 to $120. Now, there is an exception to this rule. If the address for your registered agent is in Maricopa County or Pima County, you do not have to run any newspaper ads. This is because the ACC publishes the formation of LLCs at no cost to the business owners in their public notice database. The next step is to create an operating agreement for your LLC. The operating agreement outlines the organizational structure, daily duties, and general rules of your LLC. It lets LLC members know what their roles and responsibilities are, how ownership is split, how profits or losses should be divided between owners, and what the amendment process looks like. While operating agreements aren't required in Arizona, it's important to have one. An operating agreement helps prevent misunderstandings and sets the tone of how the business should run. If your business does have one, once it's signed, it becomes a legally binding contract between all members of the LLC. The next step is getting an employer identification number, or EIN, for your LLC. Think of this as a social security number for your business. Getting one is important if you plan to open a business bank account, apply for a business loan, hire employees, or even pay business income taxes. Getting an EIN is free and can be done online or by mail directly through the IRS. Finally, you need to prepare your business to pay the necessary taxes. In Arizona, an LLC pays taxes at the federal, state, and local level. Taxes, aka profits and losses, are paid through the member's personal tax return. Now, if going through all these steps on your own sounds like a nightmare, there is another way. Personally, there aren't enough hours in the day to get everything done in time and not forget something, which is why I chose Tailor Brands to do this for me. So if you're short on time like me, you lack the expertise to handle the paperwork, or you simply don't feel like dealing with it all, there is an easier way, which is using a business formation service like Tailor Brands to take care of everything for you. Now, personally, I see Tailor Brands as one of the best business formation services out there, especially for beginners, because they take care of everything for you. Now, don't get me wrong, there are other great services that I also tried, such as ZenBusiness, LegalZoom, and Swift Filings. So I'll go ahead and leave some review videos down in the description if you want to learn more about them as well. So what is Tailor Brands? Well, they hit the market in 2014 to give new businesses everything they would need to launch a business efficiently and successfully. So they made an AI-powered site that offers startups everything they need in one place. They offer services for websites, digital business cards, and merchandise, along with their popular registration and management services, so that you can get everything from them for a yearly subscription or by selecting individual services as you need them. Now, let me walk you through the process of applying for an LLC with Tailor Brands. You can complete your LLC application for Arizona in just a few straightforward steps, which will take you around 5 minutes to complete. The first step is to specify your state. On the Tailor Brands official website, you'll find a Choose Your State field. Simply click on the drop-down menu and select Arizona. After that, click on Get Started. For the next step, you'll answer a cluster of pretty simple questions. Essentially, these questions help the platform understand your business so they can get an idea of what your business will need. Some of these questions include your business name, what products or services you'll offer, how you plan to offer those services, whether you'll have employees, and the current stage of your business. You'll get the opportunity to choose things you're looking for some help with your business, like business licenses, websites, or logos. Now again, you're not committing to anything by making any of the selections. This is so the Tailor Brands website gets a better understanding of how they can help your business. They'll also give you a checklist to mark things you've already done for the business. Now, there's no pressure if there's nothing to check off, because this information goes into a free business plan offered to you from Tailor Brands. Now, there's no obligation to take it, but it is free, so why not? Additionally, you'll be asked to provide your personal information, like your name, phone number, and email address. And just to be clear, this information is solely used for forming your LLC and will not be shared with anyone else. Next, you'll be offered a few services to make running a business a little bit easier. Like they can handle getting your EIN for you, and they can be your designated registered agent. The last thing you'll need to do is choose your plan with Tailor Brands. There's 3 they offer, ranging from semi-DIY to Tailor Brands doing it all, plus supporting your business with marketing resources. Their plans help tailor to every budget. Once your application is processed, Tailor Brands will take care of submitting your LLC application on your behalf. Going this route makes the process so much quicker, and you know your paperwork is going to be done right. So just to sum everything up, the 2 ways to set up an LLC are 1, by doing it all yourself, or 2, having Tailor Brands do everything for you. At the end of the day, Tailor Brands is a great option for setting up an LLC for your business. The process is fast and user-friendly, not to mention the additional services like logo design, website building, domain registration, and business cards adds even more value to its services. The prices for their services are reasonable, making it a good investment in terms of the time and hassle you save. I recommend Tailor Brands for anyone starting a new business who needs help with it all. So for the convenience and a quick and seamless startup process where all you need to get started is a business name, Tailor Brands is the easiest route to go. And that's going to be it for today. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. And like I mentioned before, if you want to try Tailor Brands out, check out the link in the description to get that discount I mentioned before that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. Also, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to try to answer them as quickly as I can. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.